Hello guys and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. We feature some of the best clips out there when it comes to all sorts of road moments. We have close calls, road rage, kindness and many more in store. Today we prepared an episode filled with all types of road encounters and I hope you'll enjoy watching it. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. With that being said, we can now dive right into this episode. Sit back and enjoy. If this isn't the angriest officer ever, then I don't know. Watch how this crazy encounter unfolded.
Like I told him, my house is right down there. One, it's a good thing my dog didn't come out here and bite the at you. And number two, the are you doing? What most of us that ride bikes, so it makes us all look bad. Thank you. Driver's license. Just so everybody knows why I'm such about it, my brother died on one of those. Thank you.
Huh? Why?
They'll try and take it.
He can't take it. It's my possession.
I'm glad to go around you guys because you're around. Honestly.
I mean, I say that with everyone's way.
I'm so sorry.
It's not what my daughter told me that just called me. Like I said, I'm kind of glad you guys didn't stop apparently right in front of my house because my dog would have been He does not like these bikes for whatever reason. You guys absolutely picked the worst road you could have gone down. Because not only am I a cop, but I'm the elected marshal of the city. Like, they can't even fire me for being just FYI.
How's your GoPro?
He can't take it, dude. He's just telling us to go home. He can't take my
Dude, I could not pick the worst road. That's what happens when you say, there's no cops, I promise. I was down there like
She was pissed.
I understand though, like imagine if you lived on the road and you didn't like want any of that going on.
He's a marshal, dude. So as long as we keep being respectful, I think he's gonna let us go.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah,
All right, you guys be safe.
Thank you for being cool about
Yeah,
that.
have a good one. Be safe.
Bet you want to do a wheelie out of here.
Biker noticed that someone dropped their grill on the road, so he did what any other good person would. He turned around and helped pick up the grill pieces from the road.
Sorry. Take it back. I don't know, brother. All right, brother.
Impatient drivers are all around us and you can't simply be ready for them. This biker learned the lesson the hard way, unfortunately.
Cara louco, mano. Ó. Não, mano. Vai pagar minha moto, tio. Ele veio que não retardado. Você viu, eu tirei. Eu já. Ó.
Não, vi, você saiu.
Ó, minha seta jogando pra esquerda. Ele vai fugir uma porra. E aí, irmão? Tá bem aí? Ele fugiu. Fugiu da levantar.
I wish I had an auto downshifter. That would be so dope.
Biker was filtering all the way up to the front of the queue at the traffic lights. There was a police officer there as well. She rolled down her window and the biker thought for a second that he was in trouble. But watch what happened.
Bum, 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 bum. Uh-oh. We're about to find out if it's legal, boys and girls. Right in front of the popo. 100%. So now, yeah, he's about to say something to me. Straight? No, I just crept right through them. They were all stopped. Is that not legal? She is smoking hot. Does she want me to pull over or? I don't know what to do. She's seen my pretty blue eyes. She's like, let me leave this boy alone.
This biker got pulled over by the police, but he took advantage of the rush hour and he escaped. Check out this crazy escape maneuver.
Stop right there!
Biker got pulled over for not stopping at a stop sign, but the officer didn't bother him much. He asked for his registration just to check if he's okay, and he let him go afterwards.
How's it going, man?
Good. What's the problem back there? A fast car back there?
You're kind of driving like an ass and you're in the stop sign.
Okay. You want my license and stuff?
Huh?
Want my license and everything?
Yeah. All right, man. You're good to go.
All right,
So,
man.
like, if I never stop you, you're just gonna get more and more out of
No, I
control. So I
appreciate
just
it.
gotta
I'll
rein you
knock it
back
off.
in a little bit. So just take it down a notch. I know you're having fun.
I needed that.
So,
Thank you.
You're
Thank
good,
you,
man.
sir. Be safe.
When he noticed that a girl was waving at him from her car, the biker wasted no time. He didn't give up until he got her snap, and the way he got it was really fun.
As y'all saw from the last clip, I passed one and never even knew. Now,
This biker got pulled over for speeding, but the officer was really cool about it. He just told him to turn it down a notch, for his own safety, of course.
stupid honk.
A little bit faster on that corner.
Hey, man. Just slow down.
Sorry, I was going a little faster on that corner. My bad,
Just
man.
slow down, man. I'd hate for something to happen.
Yeah, for sure.
I know you know how to ride, but these people don't know how to drive.
Trust me, I know,
I'm
man.
afraid that, but,
Hey,
I mean,
I started coming over here. I was like, I'm in tap. I need to slow down. I was like, ugh.
just slow down. That's all I ask, man. I'd hate
Yeah.
for you to get in the crash.
Hey, man, I'm glad you stopped because I was like, there's people driving like real crazy back there.
Yeah. And that's the problem. I mean, I know you guys are extra cautious.
Hey, we have to be, man.
Exactly, and there's other
I mean,
people
look,
that
that's
don't-
all I got to save me.
And other people don't pay attention, and then at
Yeah.
a high rate of speed, I'm afraid that something's gonna happen, man. I'd hate to work a crash. I've worked them too many times on
Oh,
motorcycles.
dude, I know, man. I was in the military,
yeah,
so
so the
I
rate-
got it.
The rate of y'all not getting hurt is very little. you know? So,
It's almost impossible.
yeah, so just be careful, man. That's all I
Yes,
ask,
sir.
alrighty?
Hey,
have a
man,
good
thank
one.
you
Yes,
very
sir.
much.
Biker panicked brake after he came off a one-lane bridge and the gravel locked his wheel. Luckily, he had his gear on and he wasn't injured.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm just processing it.
I understand. I'll just block traffic for a minute.
I know.
I don't want you to get run.
Some kids were checking out the bike and the biker gave them the honor of revving his engine. I'm sure they enjoyed this moment.
You want to do it? You want to get it? Come hit it. Go ahead, go ahead. Turn this right here. Get it, go ahead. Woo. Get it, go ahead. Woo. Go ahead, bud. You want to do it? Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This biker got pulled over, but he didn't have license, registration, insurance. Basically, he didn't have any paperwork on the bike. The officer at least managed to get his ID. Luckily enough, the biker ran into a cool officer who wrote him only a $67 ticket. Despite that fine, the biker was really lucky to have it end at that.
So you got license, registration, insurance?
I actually don't.
Okay, do you have a license?
I'm really close to getting it. I just have to do the final drive, and then I'll have my driver's license, and then I was planning on getting a motorcycle learner's permit after that, like right after that.
Okay, do you have any ID on you?
I believe I do, sir. It's in my backpack. Do you want to grab it, or?
No, you can pull it off.
All right.
Anything in there I need to be aware of?
No, sir. I have
no weapons or anything?
No, I don't have any weapons or anything. I really...
Is this registered at all?
I don't think so, but I do have a title for it.
Okay.
It's at home.
Do you have that with you?
No, it's at home.
Okay. What kind of bike is this?
This is a Honda CM250C.
All right. Just stay right there for a minute. I'll be right with you. Let's do this, if you don't mind, just so we're out of the way here.
Okay.
If you want to just push it right over there into those parking spots, and I'll just come around the corner.
All right, thank you.
A similar situation as in the previous clip. Biker got pulled over for passing the traffic on the right, which is illegal. He didn't have any license and registration on him, except his ID. This one even got off better than the previous biker, as he got no ticket at all.
Brother,
I want to help keep you alive here.
I know. I'm
Passing
sorry.
on the
brother.
right's not legal.
Yeah, I know. I'm very
Passing
sorry.
in between is legal.
I know.
Multi-lane.
I know, it was stupid, very stupid.
Very stupid. You got no room.
I was just in a rush, brother. I'm sorry.
I know. Do you get your license on your registration?
I actually don't.
Do you have a license?
I have a permit. I have a valid permit, right? But I don't have it with me. I was on my way to work right now.
Why'd you pass me?
I was just in a rush. I didn't want to get stuck on the, because I seen one guy fly off the edge right there on
so you're doing it?
No. I'm sorry, brother.
Right?
I don't have an
license on
excuse.
you?
I have my permit, but I just don't have it with me.
But you have a license on you?
I have my ID. I have my ID with me.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, let me get it for you, brother.
You still live at this address?
Huh? Yes.
Okay.
1916 East Hunter.
Biker got pulled over because his plate was not vertical and therefore cannot be read by the police. This officer only issued him a warning this time and he told him to get it fixed as soon as possible, so he won't be bothered over this anymore.
Alright. How are you today? I'm not bad. Good. The reason I've stopped you, you've cut your number plate down and it's not vertical. It needs to be vertical because as you're going along, I can't see that very well. I mean, it's not my bike because I'm like this, so. But you're riding it. Yeah, so I've got to sort it out, don't I? And you could be looking at 3 penalty points. Yeah. For doing that. So it's a higher bike. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a warning in. Yeah. Just to say that I've warned you. Yeah. Because if you carry on, that's when you're going to get. Yeah, that's understandable. Yeah. Yeah. So what was the surname again? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. If you're still doing it tomorrow, that's when you could get it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, thank you. I'm just parking up here anyway. I'm going to the weather swings, yeah. That's right, no problem.
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this one as well, and perhaps learned a thing or two from these clips. After all, that's the main idea of this channel, to observe and learn. Also, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as well, because it really means a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care, guys.